He's fighting out of Emata Boxing Stable, Tondo, Manila. Ladies and gentlemen, Noel Pamantao. Right across the ring, fighting out of the red corner. He weighed in at 130.6 pounds. He has a record of 1 loss. He's fighting out of Peñalosa Boxing Team, Better Living, Parañaque City. Ladies and gentlemen, Teodoro Atienza Jr. Our judges at ringside, Noel Aduca, Benjilio Garcia, Antonio Coria. And our third man in the ring, referee Jojo Llanera. This will be 4 rounds of professional boxing. Of the first round, winner by knockout, Teodoro Atienza Jr.